Namaskar.
What is your name?
My name is Moharana.
How are you?
I'm thank you.
How old are you?
I am 3 years old.
Very good. Are you happy?
Yes.
Mama, national anthem.
जनगणमन जया है.
Okay. Father of nation.
महात्मा गांधी.
President of India.
श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू.
Very good. Prime Minister of India.
श्री नरेंद्र मोदी.
Good. National flag.
Indian flag.
Indian flag.
तिरंगा.
Very good. Ratio of national flag.
2:3.
Very good. How many colors in national flag?
4.
Very good. What are the color?
Orange, red, green and blue.
That's very good. Orange is for,
Seven courage.
white is for,
Peace and truth.
green is grow,
Need for 40 leads.
grow.
Dozen 40 leads.
Very good. And blue is?
Kana blue.
Blue is?
Eta blue.
Blue is?
Eta.
Blue.
Eta blue.
Blue is?
Ashoka Chakra.
Very good. Mama, how many spoke in Ashoka Chakra?
24.
That's very good. Who emblem Ashoka Chakra?
24.
Very good. Who emblem Ashoka Chakra? King?
Ashoka.
Very good. Mama, when India got independence?
1947.
That's a very good. Mama, who designed national flag of India? P.
Bengali. Nigeria.
Design national flag of India. Yes, that's a very good.